rental cars, they're very tempted to stop a car that appears to be a rental car. They more often than not will stop a car with more than one person in it. That gives them a pretty good indication, that this person may be traveling and it's not just a local resident in the area on their way to work. And then of course the reasons that they stop people for are just only limited by their imagination. I've seen them stop people for following too closely on a divided interstate where arguably the person wasn't. Driving in the passing lane is one of their favorites. Failure to signal within 100 feet of making a turn is another. License plate lights out, any kind of lights out. Obstructed license plates, and of course we all know why they don't want you obstructing your license plate. So if they want to find a reason, generally they don't have to follow you very long to do it. Speeding, you were going 2 miles an hour over the speed limit. Well, how do you argue with that? I mean, you could be looking right at your speedometer, and your speedometer could be off 2 miles an hour, and they know this. There once was a time when the police didn't stop you for speeding unless you really were speeding. Now they're just using it all as a subterfuge.